All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a one card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the one card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, divine, so we have our last message, or our one card message for our Cancers. They are the only one that I have not done yet, so I already have the dice on Cancer. We're just going to go ahead and roll for the energy of the shuffling of the cards and see what message we pull for Cancer today, or what energy we pull for Cancer. So let's see. All right, so we have another 12 card shuffle. All right, divine, so please help me to channel a message of inspiration and guidance, and of a message of motivation for our Cancers. Please, divine, help me to channel this message from my brain through my heart, and also through my tongue, with intentions that are pure and of love. Let's go. All right, so Cancer, since we do have a 12 card shuffle, I do understand if you want to completely go ahead and fast forward to the message on the mat. All right, Cancer, so the card that we shuffled for you is the Eight of Swords. All right, Cancer. So with this particular energy, I'm showing that you feel trapped. I see that there is an energy of feeling like humiliated. So on the card, the swords are basically air energy. Anytime we have swords, it's a lot of air energy going on. Anytime we're dealing with air energy, it's a lot of mental energy that is controlling or depicting our emotions and creating illusions around our reality just based on our own mental actions and not really being aware of our mental thoughts. So once again, there are 5 swords on the right side of her and then 3 on the left. Her back is completely open. There's no one else within this card except for her. She's tied up, but she could easily get out of the wraps if she chose to, and she could unblindfold herself in order to walk into a direction or free herself from this mental agony. So Cancer, you're gonna have to figure out what you can do in order to free yourself from whatever type of mental distractions, mental pain or humiliation, guilt, whatever it is that you are suffering with or through mentally. Release yourself. There's no one here tying you up. There's no one forcing you to stay within this mental state of being. So maybe talk to someone, get some guidance, pray. Just know that it's more of a mental thing that has you trapped than whatever is going on in the reality of things. So that is what I have for you, Cancer. Let's go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you to reflect on throughout the day. All right, so this is the affirmation card that we have for you, Cancer. It says, my grief, anger, sadness, anxiety, or loneliness do not define me. My grief, anger, sadness, anxiety, or loneliness do not define me. One more time, Cancer. My grief, anger, sadness, anxiety, or loneliness do not define me. All right, Cancer, so this is the message that I have for you. Hopefully something resonated. If it did, be sure to go ahead and like this video. As well, make sure you're subscribed and that you've hit the notification bell so that you don't miss your future readings. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.